Ever looked at a flawless metal part and wondered, how did they get it so right every single time? Here's a little secret. It's no accident. It's all about the design. If you're an engineer working with forged or cast components, you know the pain. Scrap piles, mysterious cracks, tool wear that's too fast to explain, and the nagging feeling that something in the geometry is out to get you. Truth is, most defects aren't random. They're coded into your design, just waiting to appear. That's where the online training, Forging and Casting Through Intelligent 2D and 3D Design for Zero-Defect Manufacturing Part 2 steps in. Let's break it down. Once your design's set, it's game on for the metal. Will it flow smoothly or get trapped? Will it cool evenly? Or will hot spots and porosity sneak in? This online training teaches you to read the physical paths inside your CAD and 3D models, so you can spot trouble before a single drop of molten metal is poured. Here's what you'll master. So basically, you will start seeing defects before production. Control metal flow like a pro. Make dies last longer. By doing so, you will slash scrap rates at the source. And best of all, turn higher yield into real profit just by applying smarter design. This isn't theory for the bookshelf. It's practical and loaded with real industrial case studies. You'll learn how to optimize gating and riser size, predict tool stress, and literally design defects out before they ever become a problem. If you're a CAD engineer, foundry manager, die designer, automotive supplier, or anyone who touches metal part production, you'll want in. After Part 2, you'll be able to look at any forging or casting and know instantly where the risks and costs hide and how to fix them. Ready to change the way you design metal parts forever? Don't just hope for zero-defect manufacturing, engineer it. And don't forget, if you missed Part 1, be sure to add it to your cart. To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And one more thing, if you're looking to truly strengthen your expertise, do explore the 24/7 OnlyTRAININGS Academy, where you'll find hundreds of expert-led training courses designed by industry specialists and trusted by working professionals worldwide.